Shit I fucking do because I'm a dumbass or I'm a fucking yin coming out here. Oh. Yeah. Fuck. I'm gonna burn some dirt. Oh, my poor piggies. There's sawdust in my piggies. For one more. Each one of these pieces weighs probably about, I don't know, 15 pounds. So there's a good bit of fuel. Although mine's still a little on the green side, surprisingly. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Waddle my dumbass back inside. It's time to head to bed. The outside. Oh. Oh, milk. Bread. Yeet. Bagel. Oh. The snowstorm. It almost fucking got us. It's a good thing that I was around.
Still didn't tell me what the fuck you did with it, though.
What the hell I did with what?
The bagels. You grabbed the fucking bagels and ran out like a little girl. What did you do?
This is gonna go on for hours. I'm closing the door. Yum. Yum.